Okay, we've got the barbecue. Well, it's actually going up in temperature. I need to turn it down a bit. Probing the lamb. Hickory smoking away. There we go. See how we get on with that. So first attempt at smoked lamb. The temperature dropped off a bit because we had the lid open. So we're getting that back up to 230 for 15 minutes to sear it off, and then we'll back it off to the 180. We're looking at inside temperature on the meat to get to 63 to be cooked nice and tender. Take about an hour. And that's what the setup like. Got the smoker on the back. And probe down there on the grill and a probe inside the meat. So let's see if I can bugger up Sunday dinner. See on the progress of this one. Oh yeah. It's smoking nicely. And doing nice. Internal temperature 10 degrees. So Hickory smoked lamb. Okay, so that's the 15-minute to sear it in the smoke. So we'll turn that one off, that one off, that one up a little bit to there, which should then drop our temperature to 180. Oh, the smoke's going nice. It's right up my nose. Yeah, that's looking good. So, about an hour. When the 63 gets to 63 on the bottom, it's on 13 internal temperature. When they match, it's done. Okay, so we're at the 63 degrees. Do some roasting in. It's all looking good now. Because it's on the bone, we're going to give it another 5 minutes. And then we're going to wrap it in tin foil for 20. Got the veg on the go. Internal temperature still continuing to rise. There we go, look at that. Wrap it in tin foil quick. Got this resting here in tin foil, coming up to the 20 minutes. Interior temperature's gone to 71 degrees. So as you've seen, the lamb is lovely and succulent. I've just tried some of it. Absolutely fantastic. Success. And who'd have thought I'd be doing Yorkshire puddings and roast potatoes on a barbecue. They are. Oh, just a few minutes. They're perfect. Even warm.